When servicing homeowners, plumbers are consistently faced with a number of challenges, such as navigating small spaces, avoiding health hazards, and a variety of other challenges. Whether you are a residential plumber or a commercial plumber, these challenges require the right tools and a specific skill set. In this video, we will check out 10 cheap, amazing tools and gadgets for plumbing. Number 10. Ridgid 31,000 6-inch pipe wrench. Features a floating hook jaw that offers superior grip and quick adjustments. Features self-cleaning threads that ensure a smooth operation. Equipped with a flexible handle that offers a better grip. A lightweight, easy-to-maintain pipe wrench made from sturdy aluminum that makes using it for extended periods easier to do, without causing premature hand or arm fatigue. This is an adjustable wrench that has superior gripping because of its full floating forged hook jaw, which makes working with your hands easier. Plus, this wrench has a non-stick adjustment nut and self-cleaning threads and an easily replaceable heel jaw, hook jaw, and spring assembly. You'll like that this wrench can accommodate pipe diameters from 1 to 2 inches and can support pipe capacities of up to 2.5 inches. We also like the non-stick adjustment nut and the self-cleaning threads, which makes maintenance a breeze between projects. Ridgid makes many different types of home improvement tools, including some of the best pipe wrenches on the market today, like the 14-inch aluminum pipe wrench. This is a tool that is used as often as the best corded drill in homes. Number 9. Automatic cordless drain auger. An essential tool for any homeowner or aspiring plumber. An automatic drain auger allows for easy clog cleaning. The flexible shaft can snake around bends and curves, grabbing clogs even if they're deep inside the pipe. Number 8. Channel-type pliers. Channel-type pliers are commonly known by the brand name Channel-Lox and are also known as slip joint pliers. They're similar to regular adjustable pliers, but have extended adjustment sections as well as angled jaws, allowing you to grip pipes or other plumbing parts of almost any size. The long handles provide tremendous leverage for squeezing and twisting. You can use them to grip heavy steel pipe or to gently tighten large plastic nuts on sink drains. If you own only one specialty plumbing tool, this should be the one. Number 7. Rothenberg Kibosh, 1/2 inch, 80007, black. The patented Rothenberg Kibosh pipe repair is an instant and simple-to-use repair clamp for perforated metal, plastic, and multi-layer pipes. It is reusable, can withstand 10 bar 150 psi pressure, and can accommodate some leaking pipe fittings. Once fitted, the pipe can continue to function under normal pressure and temperatures till a permanent repair can be arranged. Ideal for all tradespeople, plumbers, joiners, builders, electricians, carpet fitters, as well as maintenance, janitorial, and DIY users who could perforate a pipe accidentally with a nail, drill, jigsaw, or any other sharp power or hand tool. It can also be used by anyone who could potentially have a frost damage burst pipe. Can be used on metal, plastic, and multi-layer pipes and withstand up to 10 bar 150 psi. Can be fitted to clip pipe and whilst leak is still in flow. Made in Britain from non-toxic materials. Once fitted, pipe can continue to function normally, hot or cold. Excellent water saving and damage limitation device. Number 6. SharkBite U702A Deburring Pipe and Depth Gauge Tool. The SharkBite Deburring and Depth Gauge Tool works with a variety of pipe types and sizes, from copper and CPVC to 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. Our product works with your existing plumbing, is easy to disassemble for changing fittings, and can be rotated for easier installation in tight spaces. The SharkBite connection system makes a plumbing project fast and easy with our unique push-to-connect technology. When you insert a pipe into the SharkBite Quick Connect fittings, the stainless steel teeth bite down and grip the pipe, while the specially formulated O-ring compresses to create the perfect watertight seal. SharkBite Push Connect fittings are the no-fuss way to fix small leaks or plumb a whole house. Whether you need to repair a broken pipe or plumb a whole house, SharkBite fittings are the push-to-connect solution for leak-free results. From the manufacturer, the Cash Acme U702A SharkBite Deburring and Depth Tool is the push-to-fit connection system that's really taking hold. It's the easiest way to join copper, CPVC, or PEX pipe in any combination, with no soldering, clamps, unions, or glue. Just insert the pipe and the stainless steel teeth bite down and grip tight, while a specially formulated O-ring compresses to create a perfect seal. Disassembly is just as fast using the simple disconnect tool, so fittings and valves can be easily changed and reused. They can even be rotated after assembly for easier installation in tight spaces. Get SharkBite and get a grip on your next plumbing project. Number 5. IWIS IWS-FAS PEX Crimping Toolkit. Finding a compact PEX crimper that fits in a toolbox but still provides the leverage required to seal off a PEX joint isn't easy. But for anyone needing just that kind of item, check out this kit from IWIS. The IWIS crimper uses a high leverage design that allows the user to apply enough pressure for a perfect seal, despite its compact 12.5-inch design. This PEX crimping kit is more than just an innovative tool. It also comes with the jaws required for clamping 3/8, half, 3/4, and 1-inch pipe, plus a PEX cutter and go, no-go gauge, and a hard plastic case to carry it all. Number 4. 8-in-1 Multifunctional Faucet Tool. Convenient and practical, this multifunctional wrench tool can replace ordinary wrenches in almost any situation because it can be easily installed in narrow areas. And faucet wrenches can be easily operated through existing supply lines. 8-in-1 Versatile Wrench. This faucet wrench is suitable for water supply, nut stop, valve screen, basket supply line, nut faucet nut. The extra long design lets you turn hard to reach mounting nuts on faucets, sprayers, and all ball cocks. Slotted design provides easy access to existing supply lines. The shutoff valve attachment can rotate hard-to-reach angle stops without damaging the chrome mesh basket attachment to secure the drainage unit in place while tightening the strainer nut. The faucet installer utilizes high-strength engineering plastic, featuring non-slip texture, easy-to-release arm strength, multifunctional faucet and sink installation tool, supply nut stop, valve screen, basket supply, and nut faucet nut wrench. 3 replaceable 2 inner diameters are 34 mm and 40 mm wrench heads. Number 3. Sink Auger. A sink auger, also called a drum auger or canister auger, is the ultimate weapon for breaking up and cleaning clogs in sinks and tub drains. Just don't use it on toilets. They call for a closet auger or toilet auger. A sink auger consists of a flexible stainless steel cable with a corkscrew tip at the end. The cable is coiled within a drum canister and is extended into a drain to reach a clog and clear it. The drum has a handle and there's a thumb screw that locks the cable to the canister. And when you insert the cable into the drain and turn the handle, the rotating drum snakes the cable through the bends in the drain pipe, allowing the cable tip to penetrate clogs and pull them out. Number 2. Tubing Cutter. The tubing cutter is an essential plumbing tool if you're working with copper pipe. Copper requires clean, square cuts, and tubing cutters do just that, with much less effort than a hacksaw. It has a thin cutting wheel that cuts the metal and a flat pressure wheel that applies pressure when you turn the tool's knob. Clamp the tool onto a pipe and rotate it around the pipe, tightening the knob after every 2 or 3 rotations. The cutting wheels gradually cut through the metal. After making the cut, remove the burr on the inside of the pipe using the deburring tool, a triangle metal piece that is fitted to the body of the tubing cutter. PEX tubing cutters are an essential tool in any easy-to-use SharkBite connection system. For clean, straight cuts using PEX tubing cutter to cut 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1-inch SharkBite PEX tubing. Place PEX tubing inside cutter, squeeze PEX cutter tool on PEX tube, and tool automatically adjusts to PEX tube dimensions. Push handles together until you hear the click and you're done. Number 1. Burns-O-Matic Butane Torch. This Burns-O-Matic Butane Torch kit is a micro torch that is specifically designed for fine detail work on small jobs, which require accuracy and precision. It is ideal for construction, heating nails, lighting fireworks, soldering, concrete, and metal tools, using a heat gun, etc. Its flame is small but concentrated that offers a fine area of heat to fulfill your requirements. The base which comes with this torch will allow it to stay without falling. One can easily lock the flame for detailed manipulation while soldering, and the flame can easily set to any one of the 3 different settings: hot air, blower, fine soldering tip, and pencil flame. It has built-in push-button igniter along with a hot blower attachment refill valve, continuous run lock button, and spark igniting solder tips. The torch can be refilled with BF9 butane. It is not designed for lifetime usage and comes with 3-year warranty. The flame range will be 0.5 to 1 inch, and dimensions are 3 by 6.5 by 9.5 inches, and weighs about 8 ounces. Do let us know in the comments which one you would like to buy. Please subscribe to The Gadgets World. Thanks for watching.